What's up, guys? It is Subi Sam back. I know it's been a little while, it's been about a month. And updates. I completely straight piped my 2007 Subaru WRX STI and it sounds sick. Today I'm meeting up here with Levi.
What's up, YouTube?
We did a video on his clean Hawkeye. Subi. New license plate mod. So now to the exhaust. Let me just show you guys what I did. All it is a 3-inch straight pipe. That's all it is. It is completely straight pipe. It still has stock headers and stock cut pipe. And this video, basically, I just want to show you guys some sound clips, and I'll also show you guys some sound clips of Levi's car. So let's get it. Well guys, that's it for this video. I kind of just wanted to make a couple exhaust videos now that I am fully straight piped. So let me remind you guys, my mods are cold air intake, NVIDIA catalyst downpipe, and then a full 3-inch straight pipe all the way back. Don't forget to support the movement of Iconic Supply. This is our new Stay Focused shirt, and we have our logo on the side. So basically, just don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if there's anything else you guys want to see.